very smooth. We can't tell yet, guys, is it not? Back to my channel, guys. It's your girl here, Abies. I'm very happy to be back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, you're very welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your continuous support. I really appreciate it. Today I'm just sitting at home. I thought let me just play around with some of my makeup because I have some few makeup at the moment that I have not tried before. I just makeup from different brands. So guys, some of the products they are new, some of the products they are old. So I would say about 70% of the products I'm going to be using today, they are all new products, which I'm very excited. I mean, new to me products. The products are not new, but they are new to me. So let's get into the video. I've already prepped my face. Let me just prep my lippy, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm just going to be using this as my eyeshadow base. I'm just going to be using my powder to set the concealer in place to make sure that it doesn't crease, to make it more smoother. Guys, I prep under my eyes just to prepare that area for concealer later. And we're using the Violet Vox HG. Is it HG? HG eyeshadow palette. I've not tried that before. The colors, they look so pretty, guys. When I actually saw this shade online, it was so warm when I saw it online, but it doesn't really look very extremely warm the way I was expecting it. But anyways, let's just swatch it to see. 5 matte, 5 shimmers, which I think is fair enough. Swatch this one. Oh, that color is so pretty. That one is so beautiful. It's kind of orangey one, I'm not sure about.
Got time and we're wasted. Got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget ya. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. Or don't you wanna do it all again? Start to repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost.
Oh God, I think I'm using the wrong concealer shade. I'm telling you, I'm using the wrong concealer shade. I just realized that now. I was meant to use this one. I'm meant to use the Toast. Toast is the darker one for me. I'm meant to use Farm. I just think it's too bright for me now. I'm going to be going with this gold shade, this one. I really love the way this eyeshadow is so creamy.
Got time and we're wasted. Got no plans for the night.
I'm gonna be using my eyeliner. This one is a new one from it's a new one to me from Tarte Cosmetic. Is Sex Kitten.
Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back.
This liner did not really come out well for me. The one at the left hand side, I'm just gonna be cleaning it up with my concealer. The plan was not to make the liner very big, but it just happened like that. So right now I'm just gonna be using my mascara. This one is an old mascara from Rimmel, Scandal Eyes Reloaded. But before I use my mascara, guys, I'm just going to be preparing my lashes. I have my old lashes here. So I have my Duo Glue.
I don't wanna forget ya. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time.
I already prepared my face with my moisturizer. So now we're going to be moving on to the primer. The primer I'm using, guys, is by Benefit. It's the Pore Professional Hydrate Primer. I've never used this one before. I'm so excited to be trying it now. It has a little bit of tint on it. So it's meant to actually blow out your pores. It really feels good. Really nice. I love the primer. I really like the way it just kind of stopped the whole shine on my face. I don't know if you saw the difference. Before I actually applied this primer, you can see I was having a bit of shine all over. Just kind of suck everything in, and it's not really in a very drying way. So I'm going to be using my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Foundation I'm going to be using today, guys. I've never used this before. The Oreo Inflammable 24 Hours Matte Cover. The shade I'm going to be using is a 370 Mocha. We're just going to be trying it out now. My sponge is already done, but I really love the bottle. I think it's so nice. I love this pointed part. Just make it easy for easy application.
Or don't you wanna do it all again? Start to repeat in my mind,
see already that it's very matte. So I'm going to be using my old concealer. This one is the LA Girl Toast. I'm going to be mixing them up. I think I'm going to mix it up with my phone a little bit, yeah.
We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world.
I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Match Sticks in espresso to just contour my face a very tiny bit.
Had time that we wasted. We were young and so dumb.
You guys can see the sun coming from my window right now. It's good. That's a good sign, is it not? And I'm going to be taking the MAC sticks as well, just to use it on my nose. So I'm going to be using my NARS setting powder. So this is a brand new translucent crystal light reflecting setting powder. The sun is coming to my face right now. I think that's going to be giving me extra glow. Oh guys, I messed it up. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Mercier loose setting powder in medium deep. I'm just going to be using that one on my nose. So much light on my face. It looks really smooth, very smooth. We can't tell yet, guys, is it not? So the bronzer I'm using is a CoverGirl Queen. I think it's really nice, but it looks nice in real life. It looks so white on the camera right now. I don't know if it's me. On camera, it looks so white. I don't know. On the screen right now, what do you guys think? It looks like there's flash, camera flash or what? This NARS, please. NARS, I hope by the time I finish this makeup, spray my setting spray out, everything should be balanced. So I'm just going to be using this CoverGirl Queen powder. The next thing, guys, is my blush. It's Tarte Amazonia Clay 12-Hour Blush. This one is actually a sample size. Let me show you guys. It's so cute and small. So this is the sample size, guys. That's so cute. I don't know if this shade is for me though, but let's see. It looks a bit more like orangey pink kind of shade. So when you touch my skin, it's more like pink. So the highlight, guys, is from Wonder Beauty. This one is a new one as well. It's a Wondrous Glow After Hours. This one is a single highlight. Oh my god, so pigmented. The shade really look nice, but I just don't know if this is gonna be for me though. Let's see what it looks like on the skin. I think the blush is so pretty. I think it's so beautiful. It's so natural. Under my eyes, guys, I need to finish it because I didn't finish it earlier on.
Knew that you were the one. Played our songs all the time. Can we stay here tonight? Cause I don't wanna go.
This one is NYX Matte Lip Liner in Suede. So we're just going to be using that one now on my lippy. I've never used this lip liner before, but I just don't know why the color looks very purple right now. Like when I picked it, guys, I didn't know it was gonna be so purplish. The lipstick is a new lipstick as well. This one is Mocalicious by Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Last Matte lipstick. Wow, it's so creamy. I love it. And I'm kind of happy that they both blend together because this one looks purplish, but the pencil did not really do it for me. The pencil is too hard. It's very hard to blend. It's meant to be matte lipstick. I think it's a creamy matte, which is so nice. I'm gonna be using my lip gloss from Beauty For Real. This particular one is called Nudist. It's a very thick gloss. It smells nice. It has a bit of this mint kind of smell, which when it comes to makeup, I'm not really a fan of anything that smells mint. I'm going to be highlighting my nose now. I'm using the same highlight, guys, that I use on my cheekbone. I'm using that same highlight on my brow bone. So guys, I'm just going to be highlighting my collarbone. That is a must for me, guys. So I'm going to be using my NYX setting spray. To rate each product. The overall thing I love in this whole makeup is this primer. I just think this primer is so nice. It really blurs out my pores, like especially after highlight. You can see the way my highlight just feels so blended, so smooth. Normally when I wear highlight, that is when my pores just kind of show their face more. I can see more smoothness, which I think is this primer that did it. I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure because I've used L'Oreal Mercier translucent powder, guys. I don't get this kind of reflection because right now in real life I'm not getting anything. is just nice, but on the screen it looks like I'm wearing something under there. I don't know if you guys can see this, because reading it, guys, I think I made a mistake buying this thing. I didn't see translucent crystal light reflecting. That is what I went to buy. When I heard this light reflecting, I didn't know that it's going to be reflecting like this. You know, when you just hear some words, you think, oh, they just put it there for nothing. I thought it's just a sample. They just decided to use that light reflecting. But right now I can see that it's really reflecting. I don't like any powder that reflects. This is what I went to buy. It's a very beautiful powder, but the reflecting I'm getting right now, I don't understand this yet. Maybe it's just my camera that is giving me this right now. So if you use this thing on a photo, guys, I'm in trouble. I have to really get the L'Oreal Mercier translucent one in clear, because the one I have here right now, this one is the colored one. So I have to get the clear one of this powder. Then I can be able to do maybe a comparison video. But right now, guys, this is camera flash. This is not the powder I want to be wearing out on a date night or you're going to parties, because we always take pictures. I really love the eyeshadow palette. I think the colors are so pretty. Though I don't really like this warm color here, I just don't think it was bright enough. The mattes, I just don't think they are very pigmented. This purple is the only pigmented shade for me, but I just think the other mattes, they are not. This brown one, I don't know what that brown is doing there. These shimmers, guys, they are so pretty. Wonders Beauty highlight, guys. This highlight is so beautiful. Can you see that, guys? It's just giving me that natural glow. Right now, to be honest, I know I added a lot. It's not too shine. It's not too blink blink. It's just subtle on my skin. This NYX lip liner, I just don't think it's the best lip liner. I just don't think it was blending well for me. Yeah, it's not that creamy. Sometimes you just get some certain things with reviews and you're asking yourself, why would people really think this is very nice? That's what I'm asking myself right now. It was not creamy enough. You can see how much I was trying to blend it out. I have to keep doing it before it could blend. The blush is nice. I think if you want to go for a very soft look, a very subtle soft makeup, I think the blush is really nice in that aspect. It's too bright for me. I'm not really a fan of the lip gloss, though it's a very beautiful lip gloss. It's fine. I won't really say it's my favorite lip gloss. I just think it's too thick. I love when I apply lip gloss on top of my lipstick. I like it to be more lightweight. That's what I just prefer. I just don't like when it's too thick on top of my lipstick. It did not really do it for me right now, but I would have preferred if it was more lighter right now. If you're not wearing lipstick, this lip gloss can be an alternative because it has a little bit of color and it's thick. You can really wear this lip gloss on its own. It does not really stick, which is good. This Tarte eyeliner, I think, is really nice. I really love the fact that it's matte because I don't really have any matte eyeliner at the moment. I hate eyeliner that is so glossy. You see the way I'm talking to you now, if I blink my eyes with gloss, you can see a very weird look. It's not good in photos. You can see the reflection on my videos, which I don't just like. But with this one right now, you can see everything is matte because of the tip, which you can really get a very good wing. We like only skinny wings. It's not too thick at the tip, so I really love this eyeliner. I think the lipstick from Wet n Wild is so nice. I think it's so creamy. I love when I apply lipstick. It's just creamy. It's not very matte. I think the foundation is pretty. What did I think? I saw this, I was like, okay, this one is matte. Let me try matte up. I love the fact that it's matte, but it's not drying me out so much, as you can see. And it doesn't feel like I'm wearing makeup, like they said on it, that is very lightweight, which is very important. Right now, I'm not seeing any oil on my face right now. I know I used a very good primer. I think the foundation is really nice because normally you will start seeing stuff around my T-zone. I have to use it on a longer day though, because right now you can't really judge it yet because it's just a few minutes later. So I'm so surprised this one really matched my skin so well. If you're the type that really love a lot of coverage, this is very, very, very beautiful. So this is definitely going to stay. I'm going to be using this foundation more. That is all the new product I use on this video. The other things I've actually used them before. That is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you really like this video, please thumbs this video up. So bye bye, catch you.